Welcome to ASIM Code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Regular expressions in Python are a powerful tool for matching patterns in text. They let you search, extract, and manipulate strings based on specific patterns, making it easier to handle complex text processing tasks. In this guide, we will go over the basics and build up to some more advanced uses, all while keeping it straightforward and easy to understand. The core idea behind regular expressions is simple. They let you define patterns that describe the text you want to find or work with. For example, you might want to find all the email addresses in a document or check if a phone number is in the correct format. Python provides a module called re that helps you work with regular expressions. Here is a simple example that demonstrates how to use Python regular expressions. This is a sample string we will work with. Search for an email address pattern. Email pattern. Search for a phone number pattern. Phone number pattern, example, 123-456-7890. Using research to find the first match of the pattern. Checking if the email and phone number were found. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to ASIM Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.